Hello, I'm Jackie Carter, Director of Worldwide Adder Nutrition Product Training at Herbalife, and I'm truly excited to introduce to you the Herbalife Skin Protective Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. Protection from the sun is always important when it comes to your daily skincare regimen. Whether you're exposed to the sun's rays for a short period of time or if you are outdoors for most of your day, the key to keeping your skin looking youthful is twofold: moisturization and protection. Skin Protective Moisturizer SPF 30 doubles skin's moisture for up to 8 hours while providing powerful broad spectrum UVA UVB protection from the sun's damaging rays. The UVA rays are those most responsible for aging the skin. The UVB rays are most responsible for burning. So if you plan on being exposed to the sun even for a short period of time, you need to protect yourself with the Herbalife Skin Protective Moisturizer SPF 30. This product is so amazing that it not only protects your skin from the damaging rays of the sun, it also helps to reduce the visible signs of aging in just 7 days. Yes, that's protection and correction in one easy-to-use product. The Herbalife Skin Protective Moisturizer SPF 30 is shown to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in just 1 week. Our tests have also shown that the skin will look more radiant, luminous, and glowing, and will feel softer and smoother in just 7 days. In fact, the Herbalife Skin Protective Moisturizer SPF 30 doubles the skin's moisture for 8 hours. It's the perfect sunscreen with daytime moisturizing benefits for both men and women, and is suitable for all skin types. We are very pleased to announce that the Herbalife Skin Protective Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen has been awarded the Skin Cancer Foundation Seal of Recommendation as a daily use product. The Skin Cancer Foundation grants this prestigious seal of recommendation to products that meet the foundation's specific criteria for an effective, broad-spectrum sunscreen. The seal is a symbol of safe and effective sun protection for consumers worldwide. The Herbalife Skin Protective Moisturizer SPF 30 is available individually and is also included in the Ultimate Program and 7-Day Results Kit. All of the products in the Herbalife skincare line, including the Protective Moisturizer SPF 30, were formulated with an optimum blend of vitamin B3, aloe vera, antioxidant vitamin C and E, and are infused with the finest botanicals and plant extracts. The entire line of Herbalife skin products has been formulated to the highest standards, using carefully chosen ingredients and the latest in skincare science. Herbalife skin products have no added parabens, no added sulfates, and are dermatologist tested for a soothing, luxurious experience. Incorporate the Herbalife Skin Protective Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 into your daily skincare regimen to complement your healthy, active Herbalife lifestyle and experience fantastic results in just 7 days. Thanks for watching.